Alright, hey everybody, Chris the Carpenter here, rocketbrandstudios.com. So this is what we have done. This is the new bracket, and so we have lowered the main pivot by 12 inches and then put the actuator where it needed to be. And so what we have now is that's the midpoint, and we have an equal amount of up and an equal amount of down from level. And also this point, as you can see, is its sag point. That's the lowest point. And so as that raises up, so now you can see the arm actuating up, which now that Mr. Max at Let's Make Robots has said it does look very phallic, and I'm sorry. Okay, so now we're in the top position, alright, and the cable is taut, or kind of taut, over to the static point over there, right? And now, so in theory, a person would be over here somewhere, because this side would actually be lower than the other side. Okay. And so now, when this side is lowered, and that starts going down, now this guy can do that. Oops. And hit the camera. So, and in theory, this will continue all the way down, and it should continue the path, but it doesn't. So I think best case scenario at this point, we're going to stop. We're going to be able to go, I'm going to lower that. This goes higher than it goes lower. And so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to basically use as high as it'll go as a reference point, and then take my static end and lower it actually quite a bit. And I think possibly, as much as it pains me to say this, worst case scenario is we might only be able to go from sag to one end and back, as opposed to all the way across. But when I sort of named this thing, it was the world's shortest, slowest, lowest indoor zip line remote control, and I think we're going to cover all of those. Definitely the shortest, slowest, and the fact that it's subterranean, it is negative height from the ground, so it is definitely the lowest. So there you go. I'll give you a quick look at this mechanism. Alright, so there's that's what's doing it. That's an actuator. You can see it's getting longer there, extending, and it's pushing on that guy, which is extending that guy. And it'll, see if I can shield that light. No, sorry. There you go. So that's fully extended, and that's the cable high. And then here it is back down. And there she is. And that's the lower. That should be the slidey down this way. So there you go. In day and a half, remote control, ding! Remote control, world's shortest, lowest, slowest zip line, indoor, underground. Ding! Okay, so the plan for tomorrow. Is we're going to lower that end, and hopefully that sort of gets us where we need to be. I hope. Or another option is possibly lowering. All right. If I talk about this anymore, I'm going to ramble. I'm a little tired. Okay. What is that? Got to be 5 minutes by now? 5.5 minutes. That's plenty. Okay. There she is. Ding.